Hey, garden lovers! Are you dreaming of a vibrant flower garden that blooms beautifully all season long? Well, guess what? August is the perfect time to get started. Stick around because today I'm sharing my top tips for planting a successful flower garden this month. You won't want to miss these simple and effective tricks. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. Now let's dive into making your flower garden flourish in August. August might seem late in the season, but it's actually a fantastic time to plant many flowers. The key is knowing what to plant and how to care for them. Let's get started with tip number 1. Tip number 1, choose the right flowers. Some great options for August planting are marigolds, zinnias, and cosmos. These flowers love the warm weather and will continue to bloom into the fall. Plus, they're super easy to grow. Tip number 2, prep your soil. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Make sure to loosen it up and add some compost or organic matter. This will give your flowers the nutrients they need to thrive. Tip number 3, water wisely. August can be hot and dry, so it's important to keep your flowers well hydrated. Water early in the morning or late in the evening to avoid evaporation. Aim for the base of the plants to keep the leaves dry and prevent disease. Tip number 4, mulch is your friend. Adding a layer of mulch helps retain moisture, keeps the roots cool, and prevents weeds. It's a small step that makes a big difference. Tip number 5, deadhead regularly. This simply means removing spent blooms. By doing this, you encourage your plants to produce more flowers. It's a quick and easy way to keep your garden looking its best. Tip number 6, feed your flowers. Use a balanced fertilizer every couple of weeks to give your plants an extra boost. Just follow the instructions on the package and watch your flowers flourish. Tip number 7, plan ahead. Think about the layout of your garden. Taller plants should go in the back and shorter ones in the front. This way, everyone gets their fair share of sunlight and your garden looks well organized. And there you have it. 7 simple tips to help you plant a successful flower garden in August. With the right flowers, soil prep, watering, mulching, deadheading, feeding, and planning, your garden will be a stunning display of color and beauty. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts, and comment below with your favorite flowers to plant in August. Don't forget to subscribe for more gardening goodness. Happy gardening, everyone!